Who are Jersey's real Black Avengers? You ever notice something? Marvel got Thor, DC got Batman. But New Jersey? New Jersey had real superheroes. Black men and women whose stories were so wild, so unbelievable, so built from grit and rage, you'd swear they were ripped out of a comic book. So today, we're assembling them, the Black Jersey Avengers. Not the ones they teach in school, the ones who lived, fought, built, escaped, created, saved, and never got the movie deal. Let's roll. 1. Samuel J. Battle, the Human Lightning Rod. Our first Avenger, a man literally struck by lightning in Jersey City and walked it off. Samuel J. Battle, dock worker, hustler, future legend. Lightning hit him square in the body, knocked him flat, stopped his heart for 3 minutes. People started mourning, and then this brother sat up like God plugged him back in. After that, nothing scared him. Battle moved to New York and became the first Black NYPD officer, breaking racist precincts with the force of a storm nobody could contain. But his origin story, Jersey, where the sky tried to kill him, and he said, "Not today." That's an Avenger if I ever saw one. 2. Samuel Black Sam Riggins, the Black Ghost of the Pinelands. Every team needs a stealth master, a shadow walker, a man you cannot catch. Enter Black Sam Riggins, a wagoner, guide, and escape route architect from Burlington County. Slave catchers, sheriffs, armed posses, none of them could catch him. He didn't outrun them. He outthinked them. Riggins used mirrored paths, false trails, night movement, cedar swamp cover, and routes still considered advanced today. He smuggled fugitives across the Pinelands like the woods themselves bent around him. White newspapers said he had unnatural navigation. Nah, that's a superpower. That's black brilliance they couldn't decode. He's the Avenger who moves unseen, the one every villain fears, the one whose footsteps you hear 10 seconds too late. 3. Charles Henry Turner, the chemist who saved the world. Every superhero squad needs a scientist, not a lab coat mascot, a genius whose mind could stop wars. That was Charles Henry Turner, a black zoologist and researcher whose early career ran through New Jersey. Turner cracked the secrets of memory, learning, chemical signals, insect navigation. Research the U.S. military later relied on to predict gas patterns and prevent battlefield deaths in World War I and II. A black teacher whose mind helped save thousands of soldiers from chemical warfare. Yeah, that's not a black scientist. That's the Jersey Hulk plus Iron Man rolled into. One brilliant, quiet man they refused to credit. 4. The Still family, the Pinelands healers and defenders. Every Avengers team needs a family unit, the Wakanda-style anchor. Enter the Still family of the Pine Barrens. Dr. James Still, the Black Doctor of the Pines, healed thousands with plant science. White doctors tried to steal his siblings, Samuel and William. Still helped enslaved people escape with strategic brilliance and moral courage straight out of a graphic novel. The Still family is basically the X-Men of South Jersey, a gifted lineage using knowledge as power. 5. Clara Cinderhands Douglas, the woman of fire and iron. Plainfield and Middlesex County had their own Avenger, Clara Douglas, a black ironworker and foundry laborer in the early 1900s. She handled molten metal with precision that terrified her white supervisors. They said she was fearless around fire, because she was fire. Clara trained other black workers in secret after hours, so they would have skills the factories refused to teach them. She's the Iron Heart of New Jersey, decades before Marvel thought of her. 6. Lewis Cuff, the last farm guardian of Goldtown. Every superhero squad needs a tank, the grounded one, the protector. Enter Lewis Cuff of Goldtown, a descendant of one of America's oldest black towns. He held farmland through droughts, discrimination, bank sabotage, and attempted land tricks. White speculators tried to push his family out for decades, but Lewis stood his ground and kept the land Black-owned. Strength, patience, legacy. Every Avenger team needs a heart. Lewis was Ghoultown's. Bring them all together. Now imagine them on one squad: the lightning-powered fighter, the unstoppable tracker, the genius chemist, the healing family, the fire-handled ironworker, the unshakable protector. That's Jersey's real lineup. The black heroes they never teach. The ones whose stories sound fictional, because the truth is too powerful. This is the Black New Jersey Avengers. Not fantasy, not cosplay, history. And it's time their names assemble again. Follow for more rural hidden stories New Jersey doesn't want you to know about.